guys, I'm Amanda Mertz, and today I'm going to teach you how to make an oven out of a cardboard box. This is a great survival tool if you need an oven to survive, but really it's just a cool project to do while out camping. For this project, you'll need the following: a cardboard box, some aluminum foil, a grate, and a couple of soda cans. The first thing we're going to do is wrap our entire box in aluminum foil. You don't want to skip on this. Make sure you use plenty of foil both inside and out. You want to make sure you don't have any gaps that would allow the cardboard box to ignite. Once you have it all wrapped up, let's grab a few cans and put some weight in them. The easiest way to do this is use some rocks. You will need 4 of these as you'll set your rack on them. If you have 4 nice size rocks, you could use that too. Last, we are going to add some coals to the bottom of it, whether from your campfire or if you have some charcoal. All right, now that we've got this thing built, we're going to throw some food in there and see if it works. All right, we've been cooking these things for about 10 minutes, and boy, did they smell good. Oh my gosh. Well, and it looks like it actually worked, so that means it's time to eat. Do y'all have any camping hacks? Let us know in the comments, and make sure you check out Red Amanda Mertz's YouTube channel and hit subscribe. From the farm, I'm Amanda Mertz.